Okay, register.html. Come down. Here h1 we have written after h1. Write a division or section tag can use. Write id equal to container, id equal to container, in the container you can add this h1 tag. H1 tag we can cut and paste under the container. So hope this files is available with everyone. If anyone is messing with this file, let me know. I'll give you this file. Yeah, so in container now, you will follow division. Write class equal to type equal to account. Two division you write. In both division, one place you write call I class equal to fa hyphen user, not user, building. And below to that you can write h4 or h5 anything. h3 also fine. Register as client. Okay, this we can write fa hyphen 4x register as client, and the second one we can write register as user, fa user. Class is same for both the division. Try this, then we'll come to the CSS file. Okay, so hope your register file look like this. Register as client and register as user. We can change the CSS using the CSS. Let's come to the CSS file. You can open your style.css file. Okay, so in CSS file now, write CSS for container width 80%. Width 80%. In CSS file, CSS for this container has container width 80%, 80% and margin auto. Width 80% margin auto. Next, after that, you can write even text align center, text hyphen align center. So it should print in the middle. All the content of this division will print in the middle, text align center. We have created a class called account. Account. Under the account class, width we can write somewhere 250 pixel. Padding we can write somewhere 40-50 pixel. Then we can write display colon inline hyphen block. Then box hyphen shadow we can write 0px, 0px, 5px. Gray color. 0px, 0px, 5px, gray color. Will come one after other. Margin is also required. Margin 50 pixel. So left, right, all the side. You will have very good gap also. Something like this. Sequence. Okay, so something like this. Okay, next we can change the color of both the class. So one place, I think red, green, blue we have written. They are not written. Hold on. We can write here user class will be of red color, and client class will be green color. Okay, now this both the classes will call there. Hello. Give me a sec. No, you can cross this. Okay, so we have got user and client. Come here in the first one, call one more class called user. No, here you will call the class called client, and here you will call the class called user. So client class and account class we are calling together, and account class and user class we are calling together. Check once. Hello. Hello. Yes, yes. Okay. We are giving yeah, Mara Kalyan. Near Kalamandir. Yeah. Next to Kalamandir, third building, second floor. Next to Kalamandir, third building. Come Kalamandir, no, look third building, you will find info campus. Come to Kalamandir, okay. After coming to Kalamandir, you will see the third building. In that info campus, big board is there. Second floor, you can come directly. Which one? UI development, 13,000. 13K. Come again. Wait for some time. We'll arrange a call for you. Person will call you. Okay, check now. It's coming. Something like this. Now we want to apply some kind of this one. College. Hover. When the mouse will go here, the box shadow will change. There we will apply the transition. As of now, you have not applied the transition. Transition we need to apply. Come to the CSS. You have a class called account. You have a class called account. So right here, dot account colon hover. Dot account colon hover. Okay, box shadow change in different color. Box shadow change in different color. Okay, then density we can change to somewhere 5, we can convert into 20, and this will convert into blue color. So when the mouse will go to the particular one, cursor also should convert into pointer. Cursor will also convert into pointer. Check now. Once the mouse will come here, cursor converted into pointer, and color combination got changed. But it is happening very fast. You see, it's happening very fast. Let's apply little border radius also. Border hyphen radius will be default one. Border radius don't write here. Border radius write under the account class. Border hyphen radius. Border hyphen radius. How much? Right call somewhere 20 px. Border radius. Write for this account class border radius 20 px. Border radius 20 pixel, something like this, little radius. Right. Now when the mouse will go here, it should not change very fast. It should change a little slowly. For that you have to use the transition. Look at here, you have used on hover, you are changing the box shadow. On change, on hover, you have applied the cursor pointer. Cursor pointer not required. We have to put for this. We are called box shadow. In account class that we are written here in account class, apply a property called transition. transition, transition colon border radius, not border radius, box shadow. For box shadow, transition should get applied and it should happen how long? 2 seconds. 2 seconds will be, I think, delay only. Keep 1 second. Okay, so when the mouse will move to the account class, the you can say border box shadow is changing immediately. Now back shadow will take complete how long? 1 second time to change and apply. Okay, check now, save it and move your mouse on account class and see what is happening. Yeah, what's happened? Look at here. It is taking some time. That is called 1 second. 1 second time it will take to apply as well as to remove. So hope looks similar. Working, not working. Let me know. Not working for anyone. Say yes, no, working, not working. We'll move accordingly. Okay, so going on. So this become as a transition. Throat have some problem. Come to the login page now. In the login page, we'll see some other property. In the login page, we can see some other property. Which property you can see is position. Position, we can see position sticky property, we can say. Okay. So for that, do one thing, come in the beginning and you have body tag, right? For body tag, write a height, minimum height. Minimum height, keep 2000 pixel. This is required to understand the next property. Okay, so minimum height 2000 pixel for body we wrote. You can see page will become too long, right? Become too long. Yes. In this file also this become too long. What we want is when we scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. As soon as this should come here, this should come. It should not scroll now. It should become fixed. Okay, when it is up, it should scroll up, down is okay. But as soon as this section will touch here, it should become stop. It should not allow to move ahead next. Okay, it should become fixed here. That is called a position sticky. Come here in the same file. In the same file, you have written the class called account. Right, you can see class we have called account class. In account class, you can write one more property called top. Top. Okay. When from top, when the beginning of the screen, there is a gap of suppose 30 pixel. Okay. So when it says from top 30 pixel, when from top there is a gap of 30 pixel, what should happen? What should happen is position of this account class should become sticky. Sticky means it should feel like when it is more than 30 pixel gap from top, it will go up down. But as soon as the from top 30 pixel gap will happen when you scroll up and down, this account class will be fixed. It will not move up and down. Also, you first then you can write. Let me go here. When I am here, it is going up down, happening, 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 happening. You can see in some time, it's still going up. Okay. Something I wrong. ST position STK. This I think we can write for the this class. Position STK we can write for the container class. 1 minute. We have container. Let me try here for container. What is saying? Top 30px, then position as a sticky y. That become fixed. It was not happening for this two block. Okay, we can make it that also. Hold on. So wait, I will cut from here and we'll create a separate class. You also create a separate class. Create a class called sticky. STICKYBLOCK. Sticky block. In that you add this much. STICKY. position sticky. Okay, position sticky. And what is the name of division? Class sticky block. We can call him position sticky block. Save it. Come to the okay. Come to the again register page, and we have created two block. Right, these two block you have, right? You can keep inside a other division. Keep inside one more division. For that division, write class equal to this one, a sticky block, and this division you can close in the last. This division you can close in the last. Something like this. Keep division class equal to sticky block. Inside that, account and client.
I called Friday. This is positive.
Block. Now let us see in this login page whether a sticky block is working or not.
When can I expect the doctor?
Working? Not working.
Okay.
Working.
Do I need to check with him or?
It should work here.
Okay.
Class were written or ID were written. Top 30 pixel and position as a STICKY.
Friday.
Working containers.
Friday, I got this meeting morning.
You are working for container. Hold on. Let me write here one class exclamation.
Sorry?
Important.
Actually, I'm planning to move one side to top of the contact. So I'm planning to move it, but I heard.
Okay. It's like this. Not happen here again. Okay, hold on. But when I cut from here, this complete class and apply for this container, it happened properly. You can see it's getting fixed. It's working here. Okay. Okay, so you can apply here for the this one. Remove this division and apply for the that main container. Apply for the main container only. Class equal to sticky block. Class equal to sticky block. Okay, ready? Come to the login page again. We can go to the login page. In login page, we can add again something. Right. You can use the similar kind of section tag. Use the similar section tag. Use the similar section tag. But after H1. After H1, use the similar section tag. After H1, use the similar H1 tag. After H1, use the similar H1 tag. Inside, you can create one table and just write ID equal to login. And for this, write some tr, tstd. You can write call or remove table. Okay, remove table. Keep div tag. Div open, div close. ID equal to login. Okay. Inside follow a division. Class equal to row. Row. Under this row, write a label. Email ID. Then write a text box. Input type equal to text. Class equal to form hyphen control. Okay, of written form control. Why we are written? This class is not exist. We can write here called input class. Input box. Copy the same division. Okay. Second one should be password. Okay, then one button is required. Right one, division, ID equal to my button. My button is not required anyhow because everything will come in the center. Write directly for button as login. Or login. Okay, ready? Now let us see what is happening here. It look like this. When we scroll down, it will become fixed here. Okay, now it should be well decorated and organized properly. So we have written the class input box, button, division, all classes are there. We have to write the class for login event. Let us check. Okay, next to the CSS file. In the CSS file, first write the CSS for login. ID call login. Width somewhere 350 pixel. Padding somewhere 30 pixel. Margin somewhere auto box shadow 0px 0px apx gray color, then border different radius 5px or 10px will be okay. Ready? Something like this. Now write the CSS for text box. That is called input box. Width 100%, 100%, height 30 px, outline colon none, outline colon none. Now height got increased. Yeah. Now this text should come in the left side. You can see here it is going to the right side. So inside the login, what should happen? Text hyphen align should be in the left side. Should be in the left. Text hyphen align should be left. And then the label you have written. You have written called row also. There is a class called a row. Inside the row class, what should happen? Height of the row class, somewhere 40 pixel. Okay. Label we have. For label tag, put some margin 5 pixel. etc. Right. So now see how it is. Some space will be there. Oh, space has gone. How much row we are written? 40 pixel, right? That's case 60 pixel. In 60 pixel, what will happen? Okay, little more space is required. 70 px. Then see how it is. 70 px is okay. This button should be in the center now. The button will not come automatically center. We have to write one CSS for that. Okay, you will write a class called Right call class called text center. You can write inside it text hyphen align colon center. So button will come in the middle. Okay, done it. Now come to the HTML and follow the division. Inside the division, keep this button. This division will have class equal to text center and keep the button inside so that the button will be in middle. See, using table it is easy. Using table it is easy, but without table, how you are making? With the help of division and CSS, division and CSS. Okay, coming in the center, check now. Button appear in the middle. See, appear in the middle now. Write some CSS for that, per button. This happen to bring in the middle. Now some CSS required so that button will come in the middle. Okay, come to CSS. Right here now for button. Button should be some different color combination, maybe background. You can change to red color or maybe other blue color also fine. You can change the, okay, let's keep it a dark red. Dark red. Then padding from top 10 px, left right 40 px, bottom also 10 px. Border of button none. There should not be any border surrounding the button. Then after that, next call, color of text should be white color and cursor colon pointer. When the cursor will go there, it will convert into pointer. Hope ready? Something like this, red color. Now when the cursor will go, when you scroll up, you can see this is called position sticky. This will go, okay. Once it will come here, position sticky will get applied. Okay, in the register also you have made, but in register, it is for all. In this, it is only for the login section, not the H1. Something like this, right? So, work or not? Working? Okay. Okay, this file is ready, then come to the service file. In service files, how you have made the small block in the register file. Similar way, we can create a similar block in the service file also. In service file, we can use again the class called this class. Which class? Account class. We can use the container again, and we can use the class called account and client and user, something like that. So open the service file from your page here, and in this file again you can, after H1, write the service, close the section tab, close the section tab. In that section tab, write a division class equal to same class, you can write called account. Okay, in account class, you can write here call I class equal to fa hyphen desktop. 4x you can use fa hyphen 4x. You can use here class called user, and then below H2 you can write software development. So how it look? Something like this. Software development, one block. Same way, write one more. Something client you can add here. If a desktop you can change to search. Right here, digital marketing. Okay, hope ready. Check now, something like this. We'll add one more block. Call, this one you can write call again, user FFA handset. Right here call EMPLOYMENT, employment. FFA handset employment is gone to the new line because padding margin we have given more. Okay, something like this. It will get a stop here. It will not move ahead. It will become like this. So login file is ready. Your register file is ready using import method plus other property also. Okay, this service you fill little something. Okay, so you keep two only. Remove the third one. Two will look better. And after H1 in the beginning, you can write in a paragraph some text. After H1 in a paragraph, write some text. Write paragraph ID equal to info. Info, write some CSS in this. Some text you can add 3-4 line so that it will be something like this. Okay, so now paragraph you can see is cover full width. We need to control that. Add more text so that we can add some more CSS for this. I think this paragraph you can keep in section tab. P tag you keep inside the section tab. P tag you place under the section tab so that it will look even better. Okay, check now. You can see text is now under the control. When we scroll up, it will look like this. You can add little more text, so we can create 2 block of the total text. Add more text. We'll write a class, we'll write a CSS. Then the same text we can break into 2 columns. Just add more text and write the ID equal to info. The same text we can convert into 2 columns. Ready? Now come to the CSS file. Write a ID called info. Write a ID called info as info column hyphen count :5, not column count 2 or maybe 3, column count 3. The total text will divide into 3 columns and font hyphen size 20 px. Whichever the text you have given in the paragraph, the text will break into 3 columns automatically using this property called column count 3. Column count 3 property will help you to break the text into 3 columns. Okay, written. So how many column? 3 column automatically using CSS happen. Line height we can increase. Line height. There is a property called line hyphen height. Add 25 px. Okay, we'll increase again. 35 maybe. Line height. The line text is printing. The height of each line is now more. Using which property? Line height property. Okay, done. Page is ready. We will enter from tomorrow into the bootstrap. Okay, menu, submenu, audio tried everything. That assignment, you tried anything from the LMS? Assignment, you tried or not? You should try that, okay? That assignment will help you a lot. Those are important only. Okay, thank you. From tomorrow, don't be absent, attend regular. Attend regular.